Hi, my name is James Naftel. I'm the Afaria product manager. Afaria is focused on enterprise managed mobility, which is comprised of mobile device management and application management. Mobile device management is a well understood problem that covers device and data security, configuration, compliance, and network protection, just to name a few. Application management is a problem Afaria has been solving for over a decade, but it's drastically changed with the advent of new platforms, bring your own device, and the information worker truly being mobilized. SAP is rolling out a large number of mobile applications to its user base. And part of the demonstration that I'm going to show you today is how we get devices online and applications fully configured out to the users while being secure. So let's start by enrolling this device in device management. We'll start with our end-user self-service portal, which IT has sent me a link so I can easily enroll my device. I simply select New Device. It recognizes that I'm on an iOS device, and I'm going to start the enrollment. On this page, I simply follow steps. I install my client from the App Store, and I apply a code that ties this client to our Afaria Enterprise server. At this stage, I'm simply going to follow the Apple process and enroll this device in device management. If you happen to already have a password on your device, you will have to authenticate. Apple likes users to opt in for device management since at the end of the day, it's a personal device. And at the end of this process, we'll have a fully enrolled device in device management. And what that means is IT will have pushed my email settings, my security settings, my VPN, Wi-Fi certificates, and set up my application portal and any other settings that IT feels is necessary. So let's take a look at the Afaria client and the application portal that has been configured. So this is the available applications that I can download. I'm going to select the SAP Business Objects Explorer, and I'm going to have this application install. While it's installing, I want to show you another problem that's being solved that's not visible in the demo. One of the critical steps when you start talking about real applications is they actually point to real data. And take, for example, our SAP Mobile Sales application. It needs server information, port information. Me as a user, I don't know this information, so IT is going to have to email me this, and I'm going to have to type it in. Well, that's not a good answer when you're talking about thousands of users. So if we flip back to, if we go look at our new installed Explorer application, you'll quickly see that it already has a default Afaria report. Now this application knew nothing about our infrastructure when I installed it. But what happened is when the application started up, it reached out to Afaria and asked, do you have any configuration information for me? It was handed back and the application was automatically configured. So now let's take a look at a couple of the reports. So this is showing off a new integration between Business Objects and Afaria. We'll start with Augmented Explorer. This view allows us to see devices that are roaming. This is a critical problem that IT is solving since one of the largest variable parts about an IT budget is roaming data charges. So we're able to set filters on areas, and we're actually able to view the individual devices and where they're roaming. We can reach down and pick a specific device and get details on that device. In this case, I'd like to add data to the report. And I'd like to send an email to this employee and their manager letting them know that they're in a high-cost situation. Next, let's take a look at mobile BI from SAP. So if we look at the devices report, we can see information such as all the operators per device. We can see specific devices and manufacturers. And finally, we can see the number of devices that are being enrolled during a month and what device type they are. And in closing, I'd like to give you a sneak peek at our upcoming Afaria 7.0 UI. In this release, we're taking our current UI and replacing it with an HTML5 browser-independent UI that's much simpler. Thank you for viewing this demonstration on how Afaria can help your business. For more information, please contact your SAP account representative.